Once again, we're staying in our ground floor plan rev5.dwg file. And this time we're going to take a look at the hide and isolate tools in AutoCAD. What they do is they actually physically change the properties of the objects in the drawing to allow you to work quicker and easier. So they hide objects and isolate objects so that you can work more effectively on your AutoCAD drawings. Now, in this particular floor plan, you'll notice we've zoomed to the extent so that you can see everything. There's some restrooms over here. I'd like you to zoom in on that area like that. Just get it nice and central on the screen. Now, what I'm going to do is select the objects in the restrooms so that I can hide them, so that I can work on the walls and the doors, perhaps. So if I go to about there, click, drag a window selection across, like that. I'll try not to get any of the walls in. There we go. Click there. Those objects are now selected. So if I right click on the shortcut menu, if I go to isolate now and I want to hide those objects, can you see it hides them? So I can work on the walls, the doors, perhaps anything else in that area on the drawing. When I'm done, I right click, isolate again, end object isolation, and they come back. Now I can do the polar opposite of that as well. I can isolate the objects that I want to work on and hide everything else. So let's do that again. I'll do a selection here, click and drag, get all the objects highlighted that I want to work on. There you go, they're now selected. Right click, isolate, and I'll isolate the objects. Everything else disappears. I work on the restrooms, the cubicles, etc. Right click, isolate, end object isolation. It's that quick and easy. Hide and isolate are extremely effective on busy, congested drawings that you may be working on. You can hide objects that you don't need to see. You can isolate objects that you need to work on. Very quick and easy to use in your AutoCAD drawings.